Hello YouTubers, it's Chris, and what I'm going to do today is cut down a 40-foot snag that's caught up in a tree crotch that's about 20 something feet up off the ground, and buck that thing up, cut it up, and I'll show you what I'm going to use to do this. First of all, I'm going to take my old Franken saw, a pull-in Craftsman hybrid, good light duty saw. I got a video floating around on it out there someplace, but it works good. It's fine. And then we're going to take this medieval looking torture device. It's like a log lifter, log bucker, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And we'll put that up, jack the thing up, take a few pieces off of that. And then we're going to pull this snag out of the tree with my old piece of trusty nylon rope. Got a model here of what we're doing. Probably best to just kind of show you exactly what I'm doing, because it's too big to kind of cover it in the full plane. And so this is what's going on here. So here's my little model right here. You have a tree. This is the original tree. Here, and here's the crotch. This is about 25 feet from here to here. And what's going on is we have this snag that's broken off, and this whole thing from here to here is about 40 feet. So my plan is to get the chainsaw and kind of keep snipping it, cutting it. I can't really just pull it out of here. I'm going to keep cutting it back. Going to kind of be sitting like this, until it's almost sort of vertical. And then the plan is to tie the rope to it and pull the whole thing down like that. That way we won't kill anybody. So that's it. Hopefully I don't have to get it all the way standing vertically like that, because then it'll fall on my head, but and it just gets harder to cut it. But that's the plan, and there's the model, and let's get to it. All right.
bucking logs.